3 things never to share with anyone. And I will give you my reasons. Number 1. The secret of your success. If you reveal your secret of success to anyone, people will try the same thing. But if they fail, they easily blame it on you, that you didn't tell them the right way. Number 2. Don't share your problems. Sharing our problems makes us feel light and less burdened. But some people never try to solve your problems. They may develop the issue. In fact, 20% don't care. 70% are glad you have them. Only 10% care. Number 3. Your dreams. If you already set your goals and dreams, the best thing to do is to keep it to yourself. Remember, every man's point of view is different from others. We can't get the same advice or opinion from others. So never share your problem with those incapable of contributing to the solution.